For this week's Youth Challenge, we'll be making Inspire boards with buttons and string art. So let's dive in.
For this craft, you will need some plywood, you will need some string, some tiny nails, a hammer, a pencil, a ruler, a hot glue gun, and a variety of buttons. So to start, we're going to take our ruler and find the center of the board, and then we're going to make a small box around the bottom, and this is going to be the basket of our hot air balloon. Then we're going to start hammering in tiny nails all around the edge of the box. We also added a couple nails at the top of the box that are going to connect the string to the hot air balloon. Now take some string and tie a knot in the end of it, but before you pull the knot tight, grab the loop and put it around the end of one of the nails. Then pull tight. And then we also double knotted ours to make sure it was secure. Once it's securely tied on, you can start wrapping the string around each nail head. And we started by going around the outside of the box before filling in the middle. Once you've completed your design and are happy with it, cut the end of the string off, leaving yourself enough room to tie a knot. Once again, tie a knot, and before tightening it, put it over the end of the nail and pull tight, and then double knot again and cut the thread short, and then stick the ends of the thread underneath the string art so that it's hidden. Now with a pencil, I'm going to draw out a rough outline of where I want my hot air balloon to sit. Now we're going to fill the area that we outlined in pencil in with buttons. So you can play around with the placement and position of the buttons, and then once you're happy with it, you can start gluing them down. I started from the top and worked my way to the bottom. Continue gluing down buttons until the entire balloon is filled and you're happy with how full it is. Once you've finished gluing down all the buttons, you can be finished or you can add a quote at the bottom of the board. We chose to write this week's theme, Dream Big, and then we outlined it in Sharpie. And there you have it, you're all done.
So this is how ours turned out. You could also add different quotes, or whatever you like to your board. Have fun making!